Welcome to Free to Cook. In this episode, we're going to be cooking a double bacon burger. This burger is simple but tasty. The Keepy mayo kicks the flavour up a notch. To start, we need to make the patty. Set up either a mincer or a food processor with the cutting blades. I'm using chuck beef. I find it has a great flavour for burgers. Mince the chuck beef. I like my burgers to have a fat ratio of 70% meat to 30% fat. This gives you a juicy, tender burger. Season with salt and pepper. Now the beef is minced, take a handful and mold into patties. I can't stress enough how much better your burgers are going to be if you make them from scratch. Place them in the fridge for half an hour to firm up. Next you'll need to light a chimney of charcoal. I'm using clean heat charcoal. Set up the barbecue for direct grilling. First thing we need to do is cook the bacon. If you want to make your own bacon, you'll find our homemade bacon recipe on the channel. Take the bacon off and set to one side. Now place the patties over the charcoal. Cook for 2 minutes before flipping. On each of them, place a slice of cheese. Place the bacon on top of the cheese and move one of the patties on top of the other. Next, brush your buns with some melted butter and toast on both sides. Once the bacon and patties and cheese have melted together, remove from the grill. Now it's time to make this burger. Keeping it simple, place a burger stack on the bun. Cover the top half of the bun with a Keepy mayonnaise, top with the bun, and there you have it, a double bacon burger. The combination of the bacon and cheese and the patty, made from scratch, is heavenly. The Keepy mayo kicks the flavour up a notch. Let us know in the comments your favourite burger and we'll give it a go. If you found this recipe helpful, don't forget to share it, subscribe to the channel, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and if you have any recipe suggestions, leave them in the comments.